Hi everyone, this is Joelle Lee Lavoie, your friendly crew member, and I'm going to show you about a cool app that I just purchased through Edmodo. And Edmodo does have some really cool apps. Right now I'm going to show you, this is my page for Edmodo, and up here on the top left we have some icons here. Here is the home button, and over here to the right is the App Store. Go ahead and click on that and it takes me to another screen. These are some of my apps that I've purchased, and the one I'm going to talk to you today is called InstagrokTutorial. It was a paid app. It was $35, but this included unlimited amount of students, unlimited amount of classes for a whole year for $35, and it gives me access to what they are seeing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. After I click on that, it takes me to another screen and I can go ahead and type something in. I've already typed this one in for the cell. What pops up is a concept map. As you can see here on your left, I have this huge concept map about the cell. Over here to my right, I have a whole bunch of key facts. I'm going to go ahead and click on a different aspect, let's say mitosis. And there it's going to focus on mitosis. As you can see here on my right, the key facts have now changed. The cool thing about this is that it does this for the students. The students can pin it. If you can see here, I would like to pin the process of mitosis. I'm pinning the first one and it pops up over here on my left. If I scroll down a little bit, it's going to take me to some other areas for students, such as websites that they can look at. They can also pin it, and it will pop here onto the left. Videos. There's no videos for mitosis at this time. I can collect another concept, such as if I wanted to go to DNA replication. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Nope, there's no videos either for that. Okay, so then I can also go to images, and this gives me images of mitosis and DNA replication. The things that I'm pinning, I'm going to go ahead and pin one of those key facts again. Let's do the figure here. I'll pin that one. It's going to show up in the student's pins. So as you can see here, I've already done a couple. I've done one for the cell and the Industrial Revolution when I was looking at a history concept. And also, they have quizzes for the students, and they can take these quizzes if they are available for the students, as well as a glossary. The cool thing about these quizzes is that once they take these quizzes, you can actually see their history and their score of them taking those quizzes through your class. Again, they do not have to join. They have to, they just log in using Edmodo. One of the cool aspects of this is the journal. If you click on journal, the students can actually write on the cell. So as you can see here, I have my name by Joelle Lee Lavoie, and my key facts. Some of the cool things is that these key facts that I'm pressing actually pop over here as excerpts into my journal. I can then write either an answer from a question that the teacher posted in class, or I can just write freely, maybe a 3-2-1, or some things that they took from these sites of research on the cell. The other really neat idea on here is that the students can directly post through Edmodo. So this little blue icon right here, as you can see here, that's now lighted up, I can submit this assignment. It will directly go to Edmodo, and I, as the teacher, can access and actually can see it as an assignment, and I can give them their grade. I can either share my customized grok if I want to share it via Twitter, or let's say Facebook or Instagram, or any other source of an outside source for students to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on My Classes. This is what happens with this paid app, is what students actually need to sign up for with regards to turning in the Edmodo assignments is to turn in with this, or excuse me, to log in with this code, this class code. So I have two, one for my biology and one for my marine biology. And right now I'm looking at all of my students. So when we started this the other day, I had my students just start briefly looking at things. First we went to the scientific method, and I could actually see their progress from how long ago they were on Instagrok. I have many students, we tried this on Thursday. If they open up their journal, if they turned into journal, what did they look at? For instance, this student, Wolf, who goes by Wolfie, she looked at the scientific method. She also looked at Darwin, religion. I had many students just have fun with it, and they looked at some different sites, and they did not take any quizzes, however they did view them. After we looked at some science stuff, I said go play with it and let's plug in some other things. So many of my my science students started looking at English items, so they looked at Romeo and Juliet and Animal Farm, and I assumed that this was their summer reading that they had yet to accomplish. So this is a really cool app. I hope that I've explained enough for you guys to play around with it. They do have a free trial. You can do this on your own through Instagrok.com and pay for it, or even try it with a free 7-day trial before you decide. I decided upon doing this. I really, really like it, and I hope that you guys utilizing this in the classroom as well. Again, the only problem is that if you do Instagrok on the outside, you will not have the option of Edmodo. So in order to have that Edmodo option, if you do decide on an online class like I am doing, then Edmodo is the way to go. Well, have a safe flight and a really cool weekend. Signing out. Bye.